they asked me to teach them ಬಸ್ಸಾರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Sarja Sisters YouTube channel. Yeah, and today we are super excited because we are finally shooting something that you guys requested. So we both noticed in our comments, someone said Sajja Mane recipes, and that kind of stuck with me and Anju. And today we're going to be showing you a very special recipe. Although we're not going to be cooking, we don't know how to do that. So we're going to have a very special guest today joining us, who's going to be our master chef of the evening. And she is a beautiful actress, an amazing dancer. And in spite of her, you know, being in the limelight, her appearances she makes is very rare and occasional. So we are also privileged to call her our mom. And welcome. Nivedita Arjun, aka Asha Rani. Ma, come.
Hi.
Welcome to Sarja Sisters officially.
Hi everyone.
She's a little shy, but she's doing this only for us.
Yeah,
Yes.
only for them.
Yeah. Ma, so who do you think is a better cook out of the two of us?
You do the most.
Yeah, she
She
does
is little very rare.
Yeah. I mean, the question was who's better. Yeah. I think she thinks
Both
we're
are better.
Yeah, both are good.
Whatever they do is good.
Okay, so today we are doing yen ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು.
Today they asked me to teach them ಬಸ್ಸಾರು and ragi mudde.
Yes, and that is something we love. We love ragi mudde and basaru.
Introduce the ingredients.
Yes. So we have boiled moong dal. We have some pink salt, some rock salt, turmeric, jeera, mustard, pepper, tamarind, sambar powder. And then we have garlic, we have ragi flour, and we have chilies, red chilies.
Green moong.
Moong
Just
dal.
to show them.
Yeah,
That's a dry moong we are using.
Yeah. And we have coconut flakes, ponangani kire, and then we have curry leaves, green chili, sambar onions, tomatoes, and coriander.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is the cooker you
Cooker?
used it for.
ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮೂಂಗ್ ದಾಲ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್.
How much of this is there, ma?
This is exactly 1 cup of moong dal. 3 cups of water.
So this is soaked moong dal, right?
This is soaked moong dal. It's not boiled. So, and then a pinch of turmeric.
I love how Amma puts
Yeah.
like that. She'll take the spoon and hing it. She'll just touches it and it just falls. It's just so amazing.
Very little rock salt.
It's the better version of this.
Yes.
Yeah, it's better than that.
Very little. That's it. And anything we cook dal, we add little bit of ghee or oil. So
And ghee is
Depends.
really good for you, right?
yeah,
Yeah, ghee is
very
good.
little.
Especially bassaru ghee jatene chanagirodu. Like I like it with ghee.
Yes.
So
Me too.
we have to keep this on the stove.
Go.
Meanwhile, I'm already really hungry, so I'm eating something.
Yeah. So we are closing the cooker lid.
So you have to let it boil
Yeah.
and then it
Yes,
Cook.
it's already
And then you have to
hot.
put whistle.
It's already steam is coming, so you just need to put the whistle. And this is just for a whistle.
Ma again
what are you not teaching us?
No, I'm just ready ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಸಾರಿಗೆ.
Okay.
Yeah, these we have to grind. 1 spoon of jeera and pepper, just 1 spoon. And this is sambar powder. ಮನೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Gayatri.
Gayatri Ajji. Shout out to Gayatri Ajji.
Yes.
So this is what I use. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಸಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾರಿನ ಪುಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹುಳಿ ಪುಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is what we use for sambar. So I think this should do. And ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಸಾಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ. So I just add little bit. And the onions. Here onions ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ. ಸೊ ಚಾಪ್ ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಚಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಎಣ್ಣೆಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾರಿಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಲ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾ, this should be fried.
That's a lot of garlic.
And this we put it for the palya.
What are you doing?
Just frying the onion and garlic alone. Little bit, very little oil.
Yeah, also I must add
Yeah,
one of
this
the
should.
specialties of Amma is that she makes yummy food but really healthy food. So that combination is very rare and she is like a pro at that.
I'm trying to.
And we are trying to get her to put less oil in our food. And she's our chef and she's a wonderful cook too. Hi Solanga Sultana.
ಈಗ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಓಕೆನಾ?
Fine. Can one of us stir it?
Yeah.
Do you want us
Yeah,
to help
this
you?
is small 2 onions. ಸಾರಿಗೆ. I think this should be. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ನ್ ದ ಆನಿಯನ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸುಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸುಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆನ ತೆಗೆದು ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಸಾಲ.
The jeera, the salt, pepper.
Yeah,
That's all.
tomatoes ready, amma?
Usually, you need to remove the seeds.
I remove the skin and I remove the seeds also. But ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. It's done.
This is typical Amma's thing.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆರಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ,
You can.
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಪೌಡರ್, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಮ್ರಿಂಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟೊಮೆಟೋಸ್. ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕುಕ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದೊಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್.
Okay guys, I'm going to attempt like how Amma
Take
uses
keep to one. Yeah.
like this. She'll do.
Yeah.
She'll do this. I cannot. Amma, you show how to do it. No, but still I love that
Let me
technique.
do the last one. Ready? This is my attempt.
Fail.
What do you mean
Yeah,
fail?
this is fine. This is
How
fine.
rude.
That's it. Let us allow it to cool down. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಿಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಮೋರ್.
Cooked. That's
So
nice
we
that
just
you're not
have to
over frying it because all the like nutrients stay within.
Yeah. Ooh, perfectly boiled.
Wow.
nice.
And
So-
boiled so quickly.
Yeah.
Boiled so quickly. Just 5 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓ, ಇಷ್ಟುನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್.
It's so healthy.
ಇನ್ನ ಕೊಂದು
It's also a science. And also baking is a complete science apparently.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ
Oh, you're putting more?
Yeah.
ಕೀರೆ.
This is actually 3 bunches of keere. So today let me check ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay.
ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಅಲ್ಲ?
No.
Oh.
Just 2 minutes. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
Nice.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮೋರ್.
This is for how many people, ma?
Easily 4 to 5 people can eat this.
Okay. So all of us can eat this today.
Here goes. And ಪಲ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ so much will do. That's it.
Nice.
Sometimes ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪೌಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಪೋಟ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಉಪ್ಸಾರು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. ಯಾ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಟ್ಲಿಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಸಾಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
They'll grind it?
ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್.
Oh, okay.
So there is one way. Of course, Shakti Tata used to do that.
Oh.
And
What? He used to cook?
he used to make bassaru and upsaru.
Oh, wow.
Shakti Tata.
Yes, yes. He
I
used
didn't
to.
know that.
That's
Even
what
I
I
had no
know.
idea.
And what they do in Ajji's house also, they Appa's Amma's house. So Suji idralli ದಾರದಲ್ಲಿ they used to ಪೋಣ್ಸೋರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they'll just dip it in the greens and ಹಾಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they'll use it for the masala so that it won't be too spicy.
Oh.
Yeah, that is it. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತರ
But then you get all the flavors, but it won't be as
yeah.
pungent.
Yes. This is almost done. See, I have not boiled greens for more than 5 minutes.
2
I
minutes.
think.
Yeah, that was like
That's all.
minutes. That's it.
ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
If you feel like adding more greens, you can add. Otherwise, it's sakalva.
Yeah.
So now what we have to do? We have to strain the water.
Nice. Oh, ಇದು ಪಲ್ಯ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, we didn't know all these secrets.
Yes, let me hold it.
Hold it.
Let me look like I'm helping at least a little. It's spoon ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ?
Here.
ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರು ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
Yes. Just leave for 5 to 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
First, we will make the masala. Yeah.
Nice.
Just leave it. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೇವಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಗ್ರೇವಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದು?
ಇದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೇವಿ.
Yeah. So now I'm understanding everything.
And then one more ingredient what I was talking is this. We should add little bit of this.
Oh, that's why you get all this when you're eating that saru.
Exactly.
Oh, yum.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Now it's all coming together.
This is a soaked tamarind, very little. So ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋದು ಡೌಟೇ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I'll try putting this so much. We don't like tangy.
Yeah.
ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಹುಳಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. Yeah, this will do.
She just makes the perfectly balanced flavors for your palate.
இது வந்து மிக்சர்ல போட்டுட்டு எடுத்துன்னு வந்துடலாம்.
So what are you doing now, Ma?
I'm just crushing garlic for the palya. So done. Can I do the palya now?
Yes.
Yeah. There goes.
So these oils, the kachi ghani oils, are so healthy
Just 1 tablespoon oil.
that are popping. Right, Ma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get me one more like this. So after mustard splurging,
Sorry.
now green chili. There goes green chili and some onions. Have included baby onions, small onions. Taking only one and some red chili.
How
You can go
beautifully
in.
she's managing all languages.
I'll add some powder salt.
We also mainly use pink salt at home, right?
Yeah, that and white salt, both.
Himalayan
They mix,
salt.
yeah. Little bit of salt. Yeah.
So you put in
this coconut, little bit of coconut and leaves the moong.
yum.
Oh, so this is a poriyal.
The Korean.
Oh, nice.
How yummy. Finished, and we're just gonna close it and let it steam for 2 minutes, you said?
2 minutes, that's
Yeah.
it. That's it. Now we'll do the gravy.
So this is the water that
Yeah,
came.
the strained water.
Strained
Sorry.
water.
Drained water.
Strained
water. The ground masala, idu. So idರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Just let it boil for some time.
This is all the
And give us
tomatoes and all that.
Yeah,
you had.
tomato, onion, garlic, little bit of sambar powder,
Okay.
some jeera, pepper, coriander, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು and ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
Nice.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್
So you use
ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ದು ತೊಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರು ಹಾಕೋದು. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. So much salt. I hope that should be fine.
yeah.
And also, I guess all mothers on some level are like that. They're the savers of the house, so it's fine.
This is done. So 2 minutes done.
So this is you're just gonna let it boil for
Boil.
a bit.
Have to boil. Give a seasoning. That's all.
Seasoning. Tadka. Tadka. Is it tadka or tadka?
Tadka.
Tadka.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Ashtana, some more. Enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is boiling.
Super. Actually, it's a full-on meal that you're cooking today. It's not just one dish. It's mudde and basaru and
Palya.
palya.
Yeah.
You put
so
it
that's
now?
the tadka.
Yeah.
Yes. There goes in tadka. Little bit of mustard. Some curry leaves. Yeah. The seasoning.
This is just tadka.
Yeah. That's it.
Nice. It smells so good.
Do that.
Yeah.
These are all things that you won't know when.
I have learned
Do
from
it.
my elders. This is done.
Idaitama?
Yeah. Now we'll go to mudde.
So the palya is ready.
Yes, and it looks and smells
So
delicious.
good.
Yes.
Yum.
Okay, now this side.
ಮುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಅಳತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ 1 ಕಪ್ಗೆ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ 1.5 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ 2 ಕಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಬೌಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಕಪ್ ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಘೀ. ಪುಟ್ ನೋ
Ghee?
Yeah.
I'll get some ghee. ಎಷ್ಟು ghee? And this is homemade ghee, no?
ಎಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಘೀ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ 2 ಕಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್. Just
And now you're gonna put the whole thing.
I have to measure. This is one measure. This is after many years of experience.
Yeah.
ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So it's boiling. I'll putting flour.
Nice.
It should fully immerse in the water.
Oh, okay.
See how it's boiling. This is how. So it should boil for some time. At least 5 minutes. Mudde kolu no.
ಮುದ್ದೆ ಕೋಲು. ಇದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗತ್ತಮ್ಮ?
ಅದ 2-3 minutes. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು.
So you're just
ಈಗ-
mixing? Oh, okay.
ಈಗ
Come here.
you wanted to show it here, right?
Yes.
Where you want to keep?
We'll
Yeah.
hold it
Yeah,
like
hold-
this.
yeah, yeah. This is a difficult task ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದೇನೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is a very important
Please don't whack my face.
Yeah, all mine.
this way. Yes,
Oh.
Done?
hopefully
Hopefully. Well, we'll
now
be
it
the
will transfer.
testers. Yeah.
Wow.
Just 2 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So no need for the extra flour. It has come out okay. Pour some water in a bowl. Just
Of course.
touch, wet your fingers.
Yeah, because it's so nice.
Come out well. It's not sticking.
That time, What place?
ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ, ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬೌಲ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಸ್ಮಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕಿ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಪೋರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್.
Yeah, that's what we do. I do it with my finger instead.
Yeah.
I just I'll ask you. Ketangla
Yeah.
is my most favorite part. I think I'm gonna choose this. It's the most well done mudde. And oh boy, I cannot wait to eat this. It looks so nice. So
It's amazing.
I like doing that. Anju, taste.
Yes. Okay, let's go in.
Yes, we're gonna. Anjana sometimes bites her mudde. I swallow it.
I bite it. I
You
still bite it. I don't
bites.
swallow it.
I swallow it.
Cheers.
Oh my god, I'm enjoying sakatagide. Enjoying sakatagide. It's so good. It's so good. Really?
Why
Yeah.
don't you taste it? It's so amazing.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So it's really nice to have something so yummy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ma.
Full of ruchi
I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, and I'm glad we also saw how it's made. I'll have to actually personally refer to this video again and again to learn. But
I'm gonna now make this whenever I'm alone.
yeah. But thank you, Asha Rani.
Thank you, Mama.
Most welcome.
Oh, so cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and the Sarja Mane recipe, our first Sarja
first
Mane
episode,
recipe. And please don't forget to like, share and
Subscribe.